All right, welcome back to Built for You. Built for You is a broadcast we run every second month where we bring you updates about what we've launched and what we're building next. This is the third time we've done it. Thank you again so much for joining us. We get so much energy from your comments and your feedback. It's a big milestone for us in the company, so thanks for being part of it. A couple months ago, we announced a number of our latest AI innovations, including enhancements to Fin AI Agent, the bot that talks directly to your customers, solving their problems. Fin AI Copilot, that's the bot that talks to your support reps and makes them far more efficient and effective. And Knowledge Hub, that's the system that stores and lets you manage all of the data these bots use. All of these features are available to our customers now. These innovations are built on and benefit deeply from being part of our complete customer service platform. Today, Carl will walk you through some of the key products and tools we've continued to innovate on, including tickets, workflows, phone, and reporting. And then Olivia will walk you through a demo to show you how all of these features work seamlessly together to deliver a far superior experience for you and your customers, the kind of experience that you just won't get from cobbling together a bunch of disconnected tools. We'll also announce a key update to Fin AI Agent. Finally, we have our first customer summit coming up in October, which we're super excited about. At it, we'll unveil a number of brand new AI innovations, including the next major version of our AI system, which we're calling Fin 2. So please stay tuned until the end of this broadcast for more details on that. All right, that's enough from me. Over to Kyle.
Thanks, Owen. In the last episodes of Built for You, we introduced our latest AI innovations. We're placing all of our bets on AI with a renewed focus on Fin AI Agent. We're improving Fin's capabilities so it can answer any type of customer question anywhere your customers ask them. This starts with making Fin multi-channel. And today we're excited to announce that Fin over email is available to everyone. Fin can save your team hours, cut your inbound volume by up to 80%, and improve your CSAT scores with AI-first support now via email and live chat. And setting up Fin for email is just as easy as setting up live chat. And just like with live chat, is priced at 99 cents per resolution. Check out intercom.com to get started today. While AI is the future of customer service, the tools your teams use are just as important as ever. Unlike most platforms that are made up of disparate tools that are pieced together through acquisitions, what we like to call Frankenstacks, we've built Intercom to be a single connected system where every tool your team needs is built to work together, where all of your content and data can be managed in one place, and where your human agents and where your AI agents can work together seamlessly to create remarkable customer experiences. We're a complete platform, and we've been innovating for over a decade. Last year, we shipped over 230 products, 70% of which were core platform tools. We take the same approach with our core platform as we do with AI. We listen to our customers, and we innovate. Today, we're going to cover 4 tools that are critical to your team's operations: ticketing, phone, reporting, and workflows. Let's start with tickets. Treating your customer as a number in a queue is an outdated way of providing service. The tickets experience should maintain that human element while keeping the conversation going. We've created a modern ticketing system with 3 easy-to-use ticket categories. With customer tickets, you can move easily from conversation to ticket and provide your customers with real-time updates via email and live chat. Back office tickets ensure all your teams have the context they need to collaborate more efficiently. And tracker tickets allow you to resolve issues impacting many users with a single ticket. And we've continued to add features to the tickets experience. Side conversations to collaborate with external partners right from the inbox. A centralized tickets portal where your customers can view, track, and take action on all their team's tickets. And integrations with Jira, Slack, and many more. Next up is phone. Long customer wait times, complex tools, and frustrating IVRs lead to poor experiences. Intercom Phone delivers a modern experience with all of your calls and all of your conversations in one place. With Intercom Phone, you can make and receive phone calls right from the inbox. You can route, assign, or automate calls with customizable IVR trees, and easily troubleshoot issues with video calls and screen sharing right through the messenger. And we've just launched improvements to Phone. Now you can use an outbound dialer from the inbox, reroute calls and let customers request a callback, and capture CSAT after the call ends. Now let's talk about reporting. Most CS leaders don't have a full view of their support operation, often using an assortment of tools and spreadsheets. Intercom reporting delivers a holistic view of team performance with the tools and insights that you need to monitor, analyze, and optimize your support operation. You can generate AI reports of the most common topics your customers ask about, make better decisions with pre-built reports curated to cover your primary use cases, and create custom reports that help you spot trends so you can boost performance and CSAT. Plus, we've just released updates to reporting. Create your own reports from a new template library, customize reports with drag, drop, and resizing capabilities, and add multiple metrics to a single chart to visualize trends and relationships. Now, Intercom wouldn't be a connected system without a way to bring all of your tools and all of your experiences together in a modern way. Building automations can be complex and time-consuming, especially with outdated tools. Workflows is our modern solution for automations where you can design and customize self-serve journeys for your team and your customers. Our industry-leading no-code visual builder makes it easy to create automations with bots, triggers, conditions, and rules that optimize your CS operation. With workflows, you can automate repetitive tasks like routing, snoozing, and closing out conversations. You can connect to over 450 apps and integrations like Salesforce and GitHub. And you can get a head start by leveraging dozens of pre-built templates for popular use cases. Now, Olivia is going to show you how all of these tools work together within the Intercom platform.
Thanks, Kyle. Let's start by setting up our first workflow. As Kyle mentioned, you can easily get started with one of our pre-built templates for popular use cases like Fin, onboarding, or CSAT. Let's create a new workflow. Workflows are created using simple automation building blocks. Start with a trigger and enrich your workflow with conditions, actions, customer data, and more. In this case, you've set up a welcome message so you can route the conversation to the right team. If a customer is having an issue logging in, you want to mark this as high priority and assign it to a specific team to ensure this customer is unblocked as quickly as possible. The intuitive interface makes it possible for anyone to build and deploy automations in minutes. No code needed. Now, let's see this workflow in action. Here in the Intercom inbox, you see a conversation's been tagged as high priority, and this customer is having an issue logging in. But sometimes the issue isn't straightforward, and you'll need to be able to verify what the customer is seeing. Not a problem. The agent can start a phone call or messenger call with the customer directly from the conversation. For this issue, you decide to start a video call so the customer can easily share their screen. And within minutes, you've identified the root issue and can follow up with next steps. Now let's say you need to get another team to authenticate the user. This is a perfect opportunity to use a back office ticket. Let's jump back to workflows to show how we can automate this action even faster. Using the same no-code building blocks, you can use the ticket is created trigger to automatically assign any back office issue to a specific team. Now back in the inbox, you can create a ticket with just one click. Again, without having to leave the conversation. Plus, you don't even have to fill in the details. AI will automatically populate the ticket title and description based on the conversation. And you can see that the workflow we just created already automatically assigned this ticket to the correct team. Once the ticket's created, you can see the event logged and the ticket easily accessible from the original conversation, so you never lose track. Even when your team's resolving issues with the most efficiency, sometimes the customer can leave you hanging, and that impacts the metrics you care about, like time to close. Another great use case for workflows. If a customer has been unresponsive, you can set up a workflow that sends follow-up messages with custom wait times and triggers. You can add a step to ask for a CSAT rating, and add a step to automatically close the ticket if the customer's been unresponsive after a set period of time. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to keep track of these metrics in the reporting dashboard. Here you have a customized dashboard you've built with your company's top KPIs. Let's add a new chart. With multi-metric charts, you can look at time to close and CSAT together to understand any correlations. Customize this chart further by filtering only to conversations with the high priority tag we used in our original workflow. And once that's been saved, you can also easily drag and drop to customize your dashboard views. To learn more and get started with Intercom, go to intercom.com/built4you. And for our next broadcast, we'll be live in London on October 10th. Join us for an AI Customer Service Summit, where we'll be hosting customer service leaders from around the world and announcing our next generation AI innovation. Register for the live stream at pioneer.intercom.com. Thanks so much for joining, and we hope to see you there.